Hey everybody, and welcome back to a Cash Group online production. My name is Damien. Thank you for tuning in. All right, so I've decided something, guys. I'm not just going to teach you how to make money online. I'm going to teach you processes that might lead up to you making money online, also like web design and also making money on YouTube. Right. As I get my channel bigger, I'm going to make videos that teach you guys how to do the same. So, you guys will just follow me and we will grow together. So, first things first, this video is about how to upload a custom thumbnail to a video on YouTube. Alright, so that is something that's nice to know when it comes to clickbait when you're making money with YouTube. It's very good to know and um, all that good stuff. So let's get started. All right. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to sign in to your account. I'm already signed in, so I'm just going to go and click my channel, and then I'm going to go up here and click Video Manager. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right here and Creator Studio Classic. Skip. All right. So now I don't have a thumbnail I'm going to upload just yet. This video is just for strictly you know uh tutorial purposes, obviously. So basically what you're going to need to do is you're going to want to find the video that you want to add a thumbnail to, and then you're going to want to click edit right here. All right. So now, once you get to the edit page, the page gives you all these options right here, stuff like that. But you see, you have this little button right here, and as you can see, the maximum file size, hold on, is 2 MB, and it only supports JPG, GIFs, BMPs, and PNGs. Okay, so you're gonna want to click custom thumbnail, and then you are going to want to find the folder that you have your picture in that you want to upload, and then you're gonna just want to open that file. All right, and then basically what's gonna happen is if you want to, let's say you want to change that thumbnail in the future, all right here where the button custom thumbnail is, there's going to be another picture as such, like this right here, which is the picture that you uploaded of the thumbnail. It's not going to be a frame like this, and when you hover over this, you see how it says set as thumbnail. All right, well, instead of saying set as thumbnail, it's going to say change thumbnail, and you just click that and you can change it. um, that is literally how you upload a thumbnail. It's very easy. There's one other thing I want to show you real quick, because you can't actually upload thumbnails until you're verified, which is right here. So when you create your channel, um sorry, my phone was ringing. When you create your channel, there's going to be where it says verified right here on the channel section and dashboard. There's going to be a little button, a blue button that says verify with this check mark next to it. You're just going to click that, and it's going to give you an option to either have them call you with the verification code or send you a text message with a verification code. Before you do that, you're not going to be able to upload custom thumbnails and whatnot, because those are only an option for verified channels. So that is it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button and turn on post notifications for more videos. And then if you want a custom video made of something that you don't know how to do, comment, and we'll see where it gets us.